Here's a quick tip to help you use your hand plane and avoid tear out. What we want to do is plane with the grain and not against the grain to avoid tear out. So here you can see on this board the grain direction runs along it and then up, and this is telling us that the wood fibers are oriented like that, and so we want to plane with it as opposed to against it, so we plane along this direction. Instead of having your plane be parallel with the path you're going to take, another thing you could do to avoid tear out or to prevent tear out is to skew your blade so that you move your blade at an angle to the path you're going. I hope these tips help you have more fun with your hand planes in the workshop.